Mikaya se Takoshiakwa Iakani, Ashaya Kota Kashiataka, Isakwa E Takoshia, Mikaya so Teha. Hello, beautiful souls. I love being able to bring you into my outdoor world to do these tune-ups. Today the tide is way out, so you just get to see a lot of sand and the mountains in the distance. Today's light language activation is about bringing in stillness and calming the nervous system. And I think a lot of us could use that. I know the energy feels to me like it's shifting and getting lighter than it has been for the last little while. But there's just so much happening in this time that for many of us, our nervous systems are definitely could use some calming and some stillness. So I invite you to add your intention, whatever you would like to receive from this stillness, and ground yourself and just become fully centered in this moment, feeling all of your energy coming right here, right now, with yourself and with my voice and with this beautiful scenery. As we connect in and anchor in this stillness, and we will start by meeting things as they are. So we always start by, in this case, meeting a nervous system that is on overload or has been going through a lot, and then we'll calm and create the stillness from there. Huchikiatakia shaya kosiatakia shatika ashkanahatika asiki. Hushakwa ena koshiaya tasia. Makshita keka kosiatakia kaya sotakia nasia. Maksikaya to shiakake kiasikianai. Ushakwa e takoshiana hasiatikia shataka ashkanahatika asiki. Ushakwa e ko sinai maksia katisi. Ushakwa e ko siatia kaya shoni kiasa. Ushakwa e tako shiakani. Maksikaya to shiakwa I know. I know tikaya ko siatiki. Hasane shikaya ho siatiki akashanatike ska. Hishakwa e tako shiakaki and I so tiki. Ushakwa e ko tiki satasya. So I'm just seeing all the many ways that people's nervous systems become overactivated. So many different things happening in the world right now, whether it's listening to the news or loss of loved ones, too many responsibilities and not enough time. And we're just going to bring in this stillness now, anchoring in the ability to hold stillness even if we're busy, even if there's a lot going on, regardless of what we're experiencing, that we can approach it all from a place of centered calmness so that our body is better able to manage everything we're going through. And our nervous system holds that mastery of being able to find that stillness when it's needed. Huchikwa atikia kaya shotikia sakiana. Maksikea toshiakwa ikanai. Ushakwa e takoshia maksika. Maksikaya toshiakwa ikana. Maksikea toshiaka kasia tikia kaya shotikia shataka ashkanahatika asiki. Ushakwa e nakosia tia shakatike hesiki. Ushakwa e takokinaya kasia. Makse takashiatikia kaya sotiki. Ishakwa aya kotane masike. Maxiatikia kashna tkes kiasitia kashikia. Watikaya kosia nahasieka. Magseta kosia kwa ikana. Magsatike kakosiatka. Maxikaya to shikea nasia. Ashiakaya nosia. Ushako e takoshiatikia kaya so tikiana. Maxikea to shiakwa tatiki. Hatikaya hoshiatikekni. Ushako e kano tikia satka ash kana hatik e. So what I'm seeing is people are realizing that when they approach anything from the mind, then it's going to be more overwhelming and more difficult to challenge because the mind loves to spin and repeat. And so people are recognizing to bring themselves back into their heart, just back out of the mind and down into the heart. And everything is different there. Everybody's more in the moment when they're coming from the heart. And so that overwhelm of projecting into the future or even revisiting the past is no longer there. It's like you still have the same things happening in your life, but when you approach it from the moment, which we discover from being in our hearts and dropping down in, then it's a whole different presence. It's a whole different presence in what we're going through. And there's a huge bald eagle flying over just as I say this. I don't know if it was noticeable on the recording, but as I started, the wind picked up when I was clearing what was. And then as soon as I started moving into the stillness, the wind calmed down. And then this beautiful bald eagle appeared, and it's just circling in front of me. It's such a powerful confirmation from nature of what that stillness is, just floating in the air, lifting ever higher, circling but not spinning. So I'll anchor in more of this beautiful stillness. Oh, it's coming closer now. So close. So we can all really fully embed this. Inahaya huia. Oyu. Inahaya hoe nashina. Maya kosatane. Usakayana. Isakane toe. One kai te ka. Ushako e na ko shia takia kaya so takia sha. Ushako e kania ka takia sha taka ash kana ha taka e saka. Makaya so takia sha taka e shakoni ka. Maxikaya ko shia takia sa taka ash kana ha taka e sakia sa. Masia take shako takia sa na ha sia takia shaya ko sia. So the higher beings that come through with the light language, the aspects of myself from other star systems and from deep within the earth, are bringing through the message of way to go, humans. Like they are so commending us for what we've accomplished and what we're doing and our presence and our expansion and the way we're integrating the new frequencies as this eagle circles ever closer. Just a big, like, my heart feels full feeling this message that they want me to express to you all. Holy smokes, guys, it's almost right overhead. That we are doing a fabulous job, and this activation of stillness, like they are just so proud of us for calling in this activation of stillness, because everyone, whoever listens to this, has called it in. And I am just a channel for bringing it forward, an open vessel to receive and share. And yeah, just pat yourself on the back and just sit in this beautiful, beautiful opportunity of stillness. Come back whenever you feel that's just what you need. I hope you can feel the frequency just in my voice and in my presence, because I'm feeling it so deeply. It's really, it's a whole new way of being. Sending so much love to you all. I so appreciate you all being present. Our numbers are few at this time, but they will grow as more and more people awaken to this new frequency and this new way of being in the world and this new earth that we're creating together. To those of you who are here with me, I feel you and I feel your love, and I'm so deeply grateful. This is the deep feeling that this stillness can create, like so much gratitude. We are so blessed. Sending so much love.